didn't do a fancy PowerPoint. I struggled with it over the last couple of days. The reason why is because I wanted to share more from what my experience was. Not too long ago, I was sitting in your shoes as a EVP of a manufacturing company. And I struggled because I know I needed help in certain areas, but I didn't know where to go. I had to turn over rock after rock after rock to find help with financial, to find help with patent information, to find help with lean, to find help just across the board, training. I had to work so hard to find it. What excites me so much about being part of this program is we're coming to you as a collaborative effort, as a group, as a team to provide you those resources so you don't have to do the hunting. One of the big issues that I've seen from leaving the private sector, the private sector, going into government for a couple of years, now back in the private sector, owning my own company, I see that so many business owners, executives, management level people are so busy working in their business, they're not working on their business. And I can tell you, if that's your mindset, you need to flip it. Because it's your responsibility as a leader in your organization to work on your business, not in your business. And I found that the tool, which is one of my specialties, is lean. I had met, I don't know if Ed even remembers, years ago I met him. He came through as a VPOL representative for a little while and worked with us at a company called ProForce. And I got turned on to lean manufacturing. What I found out with lean manufacturing is it's not a silver bullet. How many of you heard of lean manufacturing? If you would, raise your hand. So most of you in here. Let me ask a different question. If you're a manufacturer, have you heard of lean manufacturing? A few of the manufacturers. What we found about lean manufacturing is it's really a lot of common sense. But the problem is you're so dug down into your business, you're not seeing the forest for the trees. So having an outside person come in and do an assessment, which will be one of our roles with the E3 program, gives you an objective opinion of your business from someone else's eyes. You know, when I plant trees, it's hard for me to cut them down 3 or 4 years later. But when you come and tell me you probably need to cut that tree down because you planted it too close to your septic system, it's a little easier for you to make that decision than it is for me. So that's one of the big roles. But let me tell you what lean is not. Lean is not working with too few people. Lean is not laying off people. It's not about that. Lean is not about working your people harder or micromanaging. And lean is definitely not a silver bullet. Lean takes discipline, it takes intentionality, and it takes focus for it to work. You look back at some of these success stories. Let me tell you mine. Well, let me give you some statistics real quick. On the national average from the Department of Commerce says lean will boost your productivity 35%. Mine in my company was 64%. My shipping went up almost 100%, efficiency in shipping. My turnover rate almost went away. People only left if they really had a great opportunity, graduated college. I had one girl graduated with an accounting degree. She left. I understood that. But it went to zero, basically. Workers' comp dropped tremendously. Safety was way up. Defects were going away. Inventory dropped tremendously. My inventory must have dropped 85% because we were getting it in and out. We weren't waiting. We had eliminated the waste. Lean is just a systematic elimination of waste. That's all it is. A systematic elimination of waste. So that's some of the things that I saw through the lean. Then my eyes got opened up to the top half of the lean, which is innovation. How do you constantly get better and better? You know, there's a saying that Sam Walton used to tell me. I actually started my career with Walmart, had him tour my store 3 times, started the Super Center division, and I knew more about lean from him than I thought I did. We didn't call it lean, but he told us one time, he says, our responsibility is to keep our costs low so we can keep our prices low. And that's our responsibility as manufacturers, is to keep our costs low so we can keep our pricing low. So our customers can buy and buy more of it. And that's what lean allows you to do. It allows you to stay competitive. It allows you to make more money because I'll be the first to tell you, if you're able to save $100,000, then what you need to do is share that savings with your customers. So that's the part of the E3 that I work with. It's going to improve your company, your team, your environment, and your community. That's our part. Thank you.